Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code with Vaishu. So as we discussed earlier, like why Python is necessary, and in this class I'm gonna tell you what exactly Python is, like how it is to be learned, and like I could explain you the basic thing.
So just open a Google Chrome and search for a Anaconda Navigator download, and you can see the first link. You can click on it. It will be directed to the real page of the Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, so this is an option where you can see download. Click on download. It says that thank you for downloading. You can see here at the top that it is getting downloaded. After downloading, you just need to go to the terms and conditions and click on install. It will be installed successfully on your PC. How you So guys, let's get started with our first topic, Python. As we discussed earlier, why Python is necessary. It is useful to build a web applications and all. So what is Python? You need to remember this, guys. It is an object-oriented, interpreted high-level language, guys. So mark this one. It is an object-oriented, high-level interpreted language which is used to build a web applications. So this is useful to build a web applications. Let's get quickly entered into the main topic called variables. So what is variable? A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. It is used to store the data. It means like whenever we are getting a data from the client, that means that might be in the form of number, that might be in the form of alphabets or a word, or it might be in the form of boolean value or string value or any of the numeric value. It might be anything. There should be something where we have to store this value. So x is storing the value of 5. In the same way, y is storing the value of John. So we can print it accordingly, or we can print both at a time. The basic things you need to remember is, guys, a variable must start with a letter or an underscore. It cannot be started with a number or hashtag, or you cannot start with a percentage. And there are some other things like where you cannot start with that. So please remember this, guys. You can only start with a letter or an underscore. Let's get quickly entered into the variable types. So assigning a single value. If you are assigning a single value, that is, if you are assigning a value of 100 to store in this A, and we are printing A. So what if you have a bulk number of data? See, it will be storing a data like it is in a float and string, and it is a numeric value as well. So we are printing separately, or we can like directly, if we can perform it in a Jupyter notebook, and we can see the output for this. Let's get quickly entered into the Jupyter notebook, guys. Open the Jupyter notebook and let's try some of these following things, guys. As we discussed earlier about the Python variables, let's get started with the Python variables in a practical way. So open a Jupyter notebook by clicking here and search for Jupyter notebook. Click on open and it will be directing you to this page. Okay. There will be some background app running like this. Please ignore it. Click on new or click on Python 3. The new notebook will be opened. So we can give a page name as variables. Okay, you can click on rename and the name will be updated here. So guys, what is variables? We have discussed, like we need to store a data, which like I could give an example. If we are storing hello world, this is a data. Suppose this data should be stored in some value, like a is equals to hello world. So if we are printing a, then the output will be in this way. Okay, so a has stored the value of this hello world, and I have used the apostrophe here. In the Python language it is called as a string value. It means you can simply like click on shift plus apostrophe and the string value is added automatically. Print a and you need to click on shift plus enter to run this program. I hope you understood, guys. Let's take another example with the numeric number. Suppose we are taking an underscore. Underscore ABC is equals to 208. So guys, let's print underscore ABC. Shift plus enter, so the number is here. Okay, I hope you understood the basic variable things, right? Let's take a multiple values. Multiple values in the sense a comma b comma c is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. If we are printing a and if we are printing b, printing c, so the values are here 1 2 3. That means a is storing the value of 1 and b is storing the value of 2, c is storing the value of 3. Suppose we will be taking a comma b comma c is equals to 20 and print a comma b comma c. So you will be getting an error, guys. It will not take you to the output because a, b, c are three different variables which need the different data. So here we have only single digit value. This will be giving you an error type. Okay, let's see whether we have seen an example of ABC. There is no space and there is no separate variable. These three are combined things and we are giving a numeric value. Let's give C is equals to 2.5. It's a float, so you can just simply write C and you can run the program by clicking on shift plus enter. So it will be giving you the output, guys. So this 2.5 is stored in this C. I hope you understood, guys, about the variables. So as we discussed, let us see if we start with a number. If 1 is equals to ABC, print 1. See guys, here we got an error. Cannot assign to literal here. May you mean instead of is equals to. So guys, here you cannot start with a numeric number. Let's use an hashtag. Hashtag b is equals to, let's take a number or let's take numeric value or float value. So print hashtag b. Yeah, see guys, so the error which we got is incomplete input, but we have gave the input correct only. What error we need to find out is, here we cannot use a hashtag. If we remove the hashtag, see, the code will be run properly. So this is a basic things you need to remember, guys. First of all is, you would need to use an alphabet or an underscore to store the data, and it can be single value or it can be multiple values, but you need to have a variable according respectively. You need to have a data. I hope you understood, guys. If you think this content is useful to you, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Do not forget to click on bell icon, and you will be getting a video soon of next topic.